Hey guys, Marcos Capsalis with Rapid Assault Tools. I'm gonna go over our active shooter kit. It's a nice carry option for your mechanical tools, your 3 standard ones, sledge, bolt cutters, and your pry bar, all with quick release options for rapid deployment. The far side by the pry bar here, what you're looking at is molly, so if you need to throw an IFAK or any other tactical needs, you can molly them to the front here. What's unique about this kit is on the side and the back, you slide in your ballistic shield. The ballistic shield is NIJ rated 3 or 3 alpha. What allows for is rapid deployment. Kit slides out, unfolds, I'm ready to rock. If I have a tactical pause, I can then deploy it and make it fixed with our legs. And those components make up our active shooter kit.